Yeah, it's the realness. City of the still where the films is. Bill shit, ballin' like a smaller Josh Childress. I'm in the building, swagger on a million. Ill shit, in my bitch pussy like a drill bit. Milk skit, hunted down, pussy age like fine wine. Busy old clock in the dark, hard to find time. Spitting out iodine, rhyming on advance. Finna burn you, put the magnifying glass to all your hands. It's fire everywhere we go. Nobody watch you anymore like Drew Carey shows. Coming through your stereo, hit it called the chaos. Bitches throwing bras on stage, hit them with paintball shit. How'd you make out? Pretty good, got a mansion in a lake house. Millions off of PayPal and a table at the steakhouse. Man, life is brilliant, militant, still the shit, killing off civilians. All these white rappers, I'ma never meet my children. That don't go for everybody, just the obvious ones. I'm on the boat, about to eat when this tilapia come. I put the cocaine away, I'm drinking coffee a bunch. So what you winning for? Pretty sure it's more than a hunch. Wrote the formula for defeat in the form of order and such. A warrior, I'm too much, watching porn on the camcorder while I'm ordering lunch. I give you more than enough. What? The young heavyweight, rapping on detonate. Reading Hemingway, I've been a leader, not a lemming, better get it straight. Fuck the system, bitch, it's time for prison break. I've been a great shaker, got you falling just for timber's sake. And I ain't Justin Timberlake, but I ain't much intimidating. Waiting patiently, like can't you see this shit is innovation? Been creating, standing on the roof, I feel the shingles breaking. I be spitting raps and y'all be single making. On lock, ankle bracelet, paper chasing, in the pussy procreation. Grand slam, load the bases, in the zone, bring them home. Been around the globe, done 100,000 shows, now I'm in album mode. Everything I touch is turned to valuable. Pittsburgh, pile of snow. Never gave a fuck about a slut, a pal, drive a hoe. Wildline, tiger flow, expert rhymer. Never will I tire with these firestones. You might as well retire.